Welcome everybody to the kickoff meeting of Peabody Essex Museum Expansion Project. This is CWei from Ennead Architects. We have a PEM design board on the line, and then we have Thornton Tomasetti, ASW, GFG, and Conceptus as participants. In today's meeting, we're gonna give an introduction of the design and consultant team. And then we're gonna give an overview of the project, and then we're gonna define this design scope and goal, and then we're gonna talk about the project management, project quality, and schedule management. And please feel free to raise up any questions during the conclusion session. We have Ennead Architects as the architectural services. And then Thornton Tomasetti is the structural, ASW is the MEP consultant, Conceptus is a specification consultant, GFG is the hardware consultant. Just giving a brief introduction of Ennead Architects. Ennead Architects is a architectural design studio based in New York City. It is organized and operated by a collaboration of 11 partners. Ennead Architects has a vision of shaping the public realm. The design have been acclaimed for their formal and effective power, for the technical virtuosity, for the sustainable design, and for their significant contributions to the cultural life of their communities, and the enhancement of their physical contexts. For the Peabody Essex Museum Expansion Project, we have Richard Olcott as the design partner, and Molly McGowan as the project management partner. We have Gregory Clausen as project manager, and Stephen Chu as project architect. The core design team includes Teresa Larry, Henry, Eliza, Keel, Regina, and myself, CWei. To give an overview of Peabody Essex Museum, Peabody Essex Museum is located in Salem, Massachusetts. PEM has a distinguished history which is developed over time. The roots of PEM dated back to 1799, founding of the East India Marine Society. Being a very important portion of the museum, East India Marine Hall is a historical building where it contains the original display cases and objects from the northwest coast of America, Asia, Africa, Oceania, India, and elsewhere. Since 2013, PEM initiated the museum's comprehensive renovation and expansion project. PEM's expansion program features a 40,000 square foot new wing of galleries designed by Ennead Architects. The expansion project is scheduling to be completed in 2019. Today, we're officially kicking off the expansion project with Ennead Architects and all of the basic service consultants. As for the design scope, we can see from this chart, the total new construction gross floor area is 34,514 square feet. The utility plenum area is 11,029 square feet. The total renovation GSF is around 18,414 square feet. As indicated in the chart, yellow means represents the new construction, and green is the new site work. The dashed line is the limit of the expansion work. The design of the project should provide an overall experience of the museum that is intuitively easy to navigate for the full bandwidth of the public and its varied needs, interests, and abilities, without negating the opportunity for surprise and discovery. The holistic design should deliver programmatic content and functional and directional information that is clear, flexible, and engaging. This related as much to the exterior of existing and new spaces to the relationship among the museum building, the library, and the Essex block. In short, PEM as a campus experience. The expansion museum experience should be comfortable, free of tension, and conducive to a transformative experience with art and spatial environment and among people. Design should also give a genuine feeling of connection and integration between existing PEM buildings and the new expansion project. Lastly, the design should promote diversity in the feeling of the galleries and the capability to create diverse experience. And then we have a following milestone that we would like everybody's attention. We will have the conceptual design, schematic design budget, and VE estimation. Design development budgeting, VE estimation, and then construction document. And the conceptual design will start from July of 2015. It is due by the start of November 2015, and then we're gonna start the SD phase from November to February of 2016, and then we're gonna do the first budgeting and VE estimation from February 2016 by the end of March, and then we're gonna start with the design development from March all the way to July, and then the design development budgeting and VE estimation will be on July to the end of August. We're gonna start the construction document phase from the August of 2016, and then it will be due at the end of July 2017. Enniad is committed to deliver a high-quality architectural product to its client. The implementation of building information modeling workflow greatly increased the efficiency of communication and quality of the project. By bringing all consultants' work into one same model, it provides a collaborative platform that can be used to identify collisions and construction problems at an early phase. So we're gonna have the beam modeling workflow, and then we're gonna have create a bi-weekly consultant coordination meeting, and then by the end of every week we will exchange beam models via Informa, and then we're gonna have a monthly design review meeting with PEM design board. Also, we want to raise that architects Enniad will meet client in site at least per month to review the progress and distribute discussions. We also would like PEM to be. We will also raise PEM's attention that PEM should provide initial survey works for architects' use and consultants' use. Probe works should be provided during construction document phase in order to understand existing structural conditions in depth. So as a conclusion, we give a project overview that we hope everybody can familiarize themselves with the existing condition and the design intention. And then each consultant team and the design team member should coordinate with any other architects to carry on the design work of the expansion project to produce drawings and specifications. Project management team should be formed immediately and draft out a thorough schedule for all team stakeholders to follow. This is the end of the kickoff meeting. Please raise any questions if you have.